in my words. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the work. I need somebody who can love me in my words. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first.
Red light and speed
And for
camera
you,
hit.
girl, I swear I do the work. Can I call you babe? You can be my friend. Keep you my love to the very end. Let me show you love. Stay by my side even when the world is giving in. I need somebody who can love me in my words. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the work. To me, if you stay for a bit, let me hold your hand. I can feel those places in your heart, no one else can. Let me show you love, 100%. I'll be right here, baby, you know I see no way. I need somebody who can love me in my words. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the work.
Wala naman. Ay, wala god.
Ano man na nga
Ayoko
kagamay.
nga.
Thank you girls for the birthday present.
Welcome.
Love
birthday
you, boy.
you.
Happy birthday, tita!
Happy birthday, Malaga.
Love you both.
So kami ngayon guys, dinner for Dami's birthday.
A celebration of Natal's birthday, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for the opportunity of giving us to be right here sa isang.
Agad si John na kain na gutom na
Sarap.
Yan si Michael.
Sarap.
Yan naman si Daddy. Dito kami ngayon guys, dinner. Advanced dinner for birthday daw.
Can I try to my
For swimming. At mayroon kaming guardia.
bodyguard? Bodyguards.
Let's go guys. Ayan si Juan, oh. Silang liit ng katawan niya. Oh. Hi love. Huwag ka paliyad. Ayan si Dali. Madilim. Dark. Ito na dapat maliwanag. Okay, ayan. Gusto Ma'am. Oh, ayan. Paatras, paatras siya talaga. Paatras pa siya. First time namin makasama si Jonah. Mag-swimming dito sa car.
No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth.
Hindi na. Ayan na, ayan na si Dali. Ayan na.
And for you, girl, I swear I do the work.
Kaya punta ka dito. Andito po
mga sexy sa pool. Oo, lalo na yung mga sexy. Lalo ka pa, sexy yung katawa. Di ba sexy naman sila?
Somebody who can love me in my world. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. It's only you, nobody, no one push you further. And then you realize what I do.
And there's our birthday girl. Good morning. Check out time for one night stay dito sa Melbourne Crown. Diba? Ganda dito. Ayan, si Jonah. Sa hello, Jonah. Jonah, dito oh. Mode si Jonah ko, diba? Ayan. Ayan na ang isang guys. Kasana oh. Ito na yung aming sasakyan guys. Sila. Laki ng kanyang sasakyan. Ang aming birthday girl. Ang aming birthday girl, ayan na guys. Pasok na malita namin. Ayan. May isa pang pack bag. Laki ng sasakyan niya guys. Diba? One more pack bag. Ayan. Ready to go. Ayan. Sakay na tayo guys. Dito na tayo sa loob. Kailangan kasama. Ayan. Ang ating yung one night stay. Back to reality kami uli bukas. Pero mamamasyal pa kami mamaya. See you later. Yan ang birthday girl guys. Papasyal tayo ngayon. Dito tayo ngayon sa North Pole. Diba? Oh, now. Ayan. Ganito namin i-celebrate ang kanyang birthday. Diba? Mag-isayaw-sayaw siya guys. Ha?
Sa North Pole ako.
Nasa North Pole daw siya ngayon. Dito sa Minigo. Winter today. Ang winter wonderland. Diba? The skyline. Madi-madi. Kaputik. Oo nga, wag na. Oh, diba may mga small dyan. Kaputik. Ayan o, di ba? Kasama ko. Ayan, dito kami guys. Hello.
Welcome to North Pole.
Mga hapasing mga noodles dito kasi.
Beautiful. She's from shop.